Good morning, students. Let's start miscellaneous exercise of chapter 7. It is part 1 of miscellaneous. Let's solve some questions of miscellaneous exercise. First, I am going to solve question number 8. Okay. The question is, find the integration of e raised to 5 log x minus e raised to 4 log x by e raised to 3 log x minus e raised to 2 log x. So, to solve these questions, student, first of all, write e raised to log x raised to 5. Since it is 5 log x, it means 5 is the power of x. Okay. And same for the next term, it is e raised to log x raised to 4. In the denominator, it is e raised log x cube minus e raised log x square. Now see, here it is e and log. So it will be cancelled and we will get only x raised 5 minus x raised to 4 by x raised to 3 minus x square dx. Okay. And now take x raised 4 common in numerator. You will get it is x minus 1 in bracket. Okay. Same as in the denominator. Here x square is common. Okay, so we will get x square into x minus 1. Now x square will cancel to x4 and you will get here x square dx. So integration of x square is x cube by 3. Okay, plus c since it is indefinite integration. Now let's start question number 11. Okay, the question is to find the integration of 1 by cos in bracket x plus a into cos in bracket x plus b. Okay, so first of all, student, for this question, multiply numerator and denominator by sine in bracket a minus b. Okay, so in the numerator, sine a minus b can be arranged like this: sine x plus a minus in bracket x plus b. Okay, since here x and minus x will cancel and you will get sine a minus b. Okay, and now apply the formula in the numerator, sine a minus b. You will get here sine x plus a cos x plus b minus cos x plus a into sine x plus b. Okay, and in the denominator write the as it is. Now in the next steps, separate the terms. Okay, so in the first term you will get sine x plus a into cos x plus b by cos x plus a into cos x plus b, then minus, okay, cos x plus a sin x plus b in the denominator, cos x plus a cos x plus b. Okay, and now see in the first term, here cos x plus b and cos x plus b will cancel and you will get tan x plus a. Okay, and in the second term, here you see that cos x plus a will cancel to cos x plus a and we will get tan x plus b. Okay. Now the question is 1 by sine a minus b integration of tan in bracket x plus a minus tan x plus b. So now integration of tan x, it is minus log mod of cos x plus a, and here it is minus minus become plus. Okay, log mod of cos x plus b. So write in log cos x plus b upon cos x plus a. Okay, you can take, student, here if you are taking plus sign, then log mod of sec x plus a. Okay, and same as here, but here it will be minus sign. Okay, it is the final answer. Now students, move for the next question. It is question number 13. find the integration of e raised to x upon in bracket 1 plus e raised to x, and in the other bracket it is 2 plus e raised to x. So first of all put e raised to x is equal to t, so that e raised to x dx it is dt. Okay, so now question becomes it is dt by 1 plus t and 2 plus t. Okay, and now apply the method of partial fraction. Okay, so here students you see that 1 by 1 plus t into 2 plus t. So take as a by 1 plus t plus b by 2 plus t. Now take LCM on both sides. You will get 1 is equal to a into 2 plus t plus b into 1 plus t. And now find the value of a and b. Okay, now by equating the coefficient of like terms on both sides, you have a plus b is equal to 0 or 2a plus b is equal to 1. Okay, so find a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1. Student, for this you may apply the other method also. Here if you take t is equal to minus 1, then you can find the value of a. And for next take t is equal to minus 2. Okay, then you will find the value of b. There are so many methods to find the value of a and b. Okay, so now find the integration. It is integration of 1 by 1 plus t minus 1 by 2 plus t. So integration of 1 by 1 plus t, it is log mod of 1 plus t minus log mod of 2 plus t then plus c. Okay, and now apply the logarithm rules. You will get log mod of 1 plus t by 2 plus t. Okay, and now write the value of t. Here t is e raised to x. Okay, so it is the final answer. Now students, move for the next question. It is question number 18. Okay, integration of 1 by under root, here it is sine cube x into sine x plus alpha dx. So for this question, first integration 1 by sine cube x in the bracket. Student, expand this sine x plus alpha. Okay, so you will get sine x cos alpha plus cos x. Here it is student sine alpha. Okay, in the next step, from here sine x take common. Okay, so it would be sine raised 4x. Okay, and here it is cos alpha plus, but here it is cos x by sine x, so it would be cot x. Sine alpha write as it is. Okay, and now in the next step, this sine raised 4x, it becomes sine square x. Okay, so in the bracket you will get cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha dx. Okay, and in the next step it is 1 by sine square cosec square x. Okay, and in the denominator write the same terms. And now put the denominator term. Okay, cos alpha plus cot x sine alpha as t. So you will get minus cosec square x sine alpha dx. Also student, here it is dx is equal to dt. So cosec square x dx is equal to minus 1 by sine alpha dt. Okay, now move for the next step. Okay, it is minus 1 by sine alpha. Okay, and integration dt by under root t. You will get student integration of t raised to minus 1 by 2. It is minus 1 by sine alpha t raised to 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. Okay, and now substitute the value of t. So you will get minus 2 by sine alpha in the square root. It is cos alpha plus, again write the cot x in the form of cos and sine. Okay, so it is cos x by sine x into sine alpha plus c. Now sine x take common. Okay, and at last you will get, it is again a formula of sine x plus alpha, and in the denominator it is sine x. So it is the answer. Now students, I am going to solve very important question, question number 19. Okay, it is find the integration of sin inverse under root x minus cos inverse under root x by sin inverse under root x plus cos inverse under root x. Okay. So first of all, here applying the property of inverse trigonometric function. Okay, for the cos inverse under root x, we can write it is pi by 2 minus sin inverse root x. Okay, and in the denominator, sin inverse root x plus cos inverse root x, it is equal to pi by 2. Okay, so our quotient will change to, it is sin inverse root x minus, in place of cos inverse root x, it is pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Okay, and in the denominator it is a pi by 2. When you will solve this step, you will get it is 2 sin inverse root x minus pi by 2, and in the denominator it is a pi by 2. Now solve this, you will get 4 by pi integration of sin inverse root x dx and integration of dx. Okay, separate the terms. Now for the first term, take sin inverse root x as a t. So you will get root x is equal to sin t. Okay, so 1 by 2 root x dx, it is a cos t dt, or root x is a sin t, so it is 1 by 2 sin t dx is equal to cos t dt. Okay, so dx is equal to 2 sin t cos t dt. Here apply the formula of sin 2t. So dx is equal to sin 2t dt. Okay, so 4 by pi integration sin inverse root x dx minus integration dx. It is 4 by pi. Okay, here it is t sin 2t dt, and integration of dx, it is x. Now for this apply the method by parts. Okay, and taking t as the first function and sin 2t as a second function. So first function as it is, integration of second function minus integration differential of first function, integration of second function. Okay, and then whole integration, and minus x, right, as it is. So here you will get, students, it is 4 by pi, t right as it is, integration of sin 2t, it is minus cos 2t by 2, then minus, same as here, dt by dt, it's 1, and integration of sin 2t, it is minus cos 2tt by 2. Okay, and here it is minus x, right, as it is. So now you will get here, again integration of cos 2t, it is a sin 2t by 2. So it is sin 2t by 4. Okay, so now students, we have to write the value of t. Okay, so again here minus 2t in bracket, it is 1 minus 2 sin square t. Okay, and 2 sin t cos t by pi, minus x plus c, right, as it is. And now here it is 2t in bracket 1 minus 2 sin square t by pi plus, okay, 2 sin t in the square root cos t in the form of sin, it is under root 1 minus sin square t by pi minus x plus c. Now convert it, you will get in place of t, it is sin inverse root x. Okay, sin square t is x, and here sin t, it is root x, student. Okay, and it is 1 minus sin square t, it is under root 1 minus x. So you will get the final answer. Okay, if you don't want to convert the cos in term of sin, then also you can change the term in x by making a triangle method. Okay, by the triangle method you can find the value of cos t and then substitute the values. Okay, then also you will get the same answer. Now student, move for the next question, question number 20. It is integration of square root of 1 minus root x upon 1 plus root x dx. Here students, under root x take cos t. Okay, so that x is equal to cos square t, and here differential dx is equal to 2 cos t. Okay, and derivative of cos t is a minus sin t and dt. So here you will get minus sin 2t dt. Now the question changes to minus integration of square root 1 minus cos t by 1 plus cos t into sin 2t into dt. Okay. Now student, apply the formula. So in the numerator you will get it is 2 sin square t by 2. In the denominator 2 cos square t by 2. Okay, and here it is 2 sin t cos t dt. So you will get, by solving this, it is only minus 4 sin square t by 2 cos t into dt. Okay, and now again we have to change the sin square t by 2, since it is the t by 2 and here we have cos t. Okay, so I am writing here it is 1 minus cos t. 2 sin square t by 2, it is 1 minus cos t, and here cos t write as it is dt. And now multiply the cos t in the bracket, you will get minus 2 as it is, integration of cos t minus cos square t dt. And so integration of cos t, and for the cos square t again we have to apply the formula, it is 1 plus cos 2t by 2. Okay, and now get the integration, you will get the answer, and at last you have to substitute the value of t. And now in the next step student, find the integration. So integration of cos t, it is sin t, it is dt. So integration of dt is t. Here it is integration of cos 2t, so it is sin 2t by 2. Okay, so finally you will get here minus 2 sin t plus t plus 1 by 2 sin 2t plus c. Okay, and now we have to change the term sin t, it is under root 1 minus cos square t. Okay, this t write as it is, sin 2t, it is 2 cos t sin t. Okay, so for the sin t it is under root 1 minus cos square t, and 1 cos t write student as it is. And now substitute the values, you will get, since we have cos t is equal to root x, so cos square t it is x, so you will get under root 1 minus x, then plus in place of t it is a cos inverse x. Okay, and here same, it is 2 will cancel, root x in place of cos t. Okay, and in the bracket it is under root 1 minus x into c. So you will get the final answer.